Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today we will solve activity book lesson short U. So let's start without wasting our time. I can read and write words with the short U sound. If you can read and write, circle yes. Okay. Short U and A sound. Look at the word box. Write the words with short U and A sound in the list. Here is the list and here is the word box. Find out the words with short U and short A and write it in the word list. Here is the word list of short U and short A. यहाँ पे आपने short U वाले वर्ड लिखने हैं, यहाँ पे short A वाले. D, अक, डक, ब, अग, बग, र, अग, रग, ख, अप, कप. तो यहाँ पे आपने ये देखें, ये दोनों आपके पास शॉर्ट यू वाले हैं, ये भी शॉर्ट यू है और ये भी शॉर्ट यू साउंड है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ह एट हैट, एंड मैन, ब एट बैग, ह एंड हैंड. तो ये आपके पास क्या हो गए? ये आपके पास शॉर्ट ए साउंड हो गई. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज फाइंड अ राइमिंग. फाइंड अ वर्ड दैट राइम्स विद अप, ख, अप, कप. Okay, find the words that rhyme with k and can, and man. So rhyming words mean same sounds. Okay, up, cup, can, man. Here is next question is challenge. Finish the sentence with two words from the word box. Draw it. Okay, the bug is on the mug. You have to select words from here, two words from here, and you have to draw the picture according to that words you have selected from here. Okay, if you are which words you are going to select from here, you have to draw a related picture. The bug is on the mug. Okay, so next word is crossword puzzle. Look at the picture, write the words. One is sad, S-A-D, sad. 2, truck, T-R-U-C-K, truck. 3, cats, cats. 4, sun, sun. 5, bug, bugs. 1, 2, bugs, bugs. And 6 is ducks, ducks, ducks. And hand, H-A-N-D, hand. So this is all about short U sounds. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.